Definitely making new friends and just being around a lot of different kinds of people.
The labs were a lot of fun.
The lectures and tutors in practical classes were very helpful and understanding.
The practicals have been invaluable to me. Working in a laboratory environment and doing fieldwork, these are experiences I don't think I could have got anywhere outside of university.
Some subjects were fun, and I loved the social aspect of attending university.
Probably making new friends was the most positive experience I had in my first year.
Fantastic learning experiences within the lab.
Friends, being able to work as a team within the whole subject cohort.
I really appreciate the encouragement and the assistance given during the initial stage of university. The teachers are very accommodating and are willing to help you if you put in the effort.
It was really realising that university is so much bigger than the 6 hours a day, 5 days a week that we had at primary school. You can go anywhere and really do anything, and you have the freedom to do that.
Aside from meeting all the great people that I would be spending the next few years with, the realization that I had chosen the right degree for myself. Science has always been my strongest suit, and my degree has opened up new pathways that I could explore and take my knowledge onto the next level.